Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna make Seekh Kebab, Mince Seekh Kebab. For this we take all these ingredients: ginger, garlic, tomato, green chilies, onion. Make paste of all these ingredients. Now take mince, add garlic 2 tablespoon, ginger, then add ginger and garlic. Now add green chilies, add sliced onions, mix well. Add after mixing it, add turmeric half tablespoon, black chili half tablespoon, salt half tablespoon, red chili half tablespoon. According to the quantity of your mince, add these ingredients. After that, mix well. Add cumin seeds, dry coriander, add gram flour 1 to 2 tablespoon. Mix well. After that, mix with your hand. When you mix with your hand, all the spices enriched in it. Look at it, it's done. Make Seekh Kebabs like this. Like this. After that, take oil in the pan and heat oil on high flame. Now lower the flame and fry for 5 to 10 minutes. Look at it, it's frying. Change its color to light brown. After that, look at it, it's done. Serve with ketchup and salad. It's yum, must try and tell me your views about it. Serve with raita and ketchup or chapati. If you want chapati, then serve with chapati. It's done. Must try and tell me your views about it. Tata, baba.